Right, here we are given, we must determine that, we must determine the equation of f of x is equals to minus x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c if it passes through minus 3 and 0 and has a turning point at 2 and 0. Right, I slowed down because here I'm discovering that 2 and 0 is an x-intercept, but we are also told that it's also a turning point. So which means if it's a turning point, like in this case, the graph, we are told that it's passing through minus 3 and also 2, and it's also a turning point. So can you see that this is an x-intercept and is also a turning point? If you look at this, can you see here our a value here is negative, which means in this case the graph will be like this. So which means for us to be able to sketch it, if we are just sketching, for us to be able to see what's really happening, it means the graph will be like this. So which means this is a turning point. It's also a solution, or that is, it's also an x-intercept. So which means, again, we are free to use the intercept method. Therefore, it means we are saying, again, our y is equals to a into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3. Which in this case implies that our y equals to, look again here, can you see here that it's minus, which means this a here, and can you also note that this a is different from this one? Are we getting that one? So which means in this case, in place of a here, we write our minus 1 because we are told that it's negative there. Then it will be x minus in this case it will be minus 3, which will be x plus 3 into x minus 2, which means here it will be x minus 2 multiplied by, again, x minus 2, which implies that y equals to minus 1, we keep it outside, x plus 3 into, as you expand this x minus 2 into x minus 2, it will give us x squared minus 4x plus 4. You can confirm that one. Then from there, we now expand this, which now implies our y equals to, I keep my minus 1 outside, x times this, it will give me x cubed. There we get minus 4x squared plus 4x plus 3x squared minus 12x plus 12, which means there my y will be equals to minus 1 into x cubed stays. I'm grouping like terms now. Minus 4x squared plus 3x squared, it gives me minus x squared. Then 4x minus 12x, I get minus 8x plus 12. Then from there, I now remove the square bracket there, which means y will now be equals to minus x cubed plus x squared plus 8x minus 12. This becomes the equation of this becomes the equation. Thank you so much. God bless you. May you also watch the next video.